Hello viewers, today's topic is to determine impact value of coarse aggregate. For this test, the apparatus required are the impact testing machine. You can see that this machine has been fitted with its base to a concrete pedestal. Two numbers of screws are given on both the sides to fix the cylindrical mold in position. This is the hammer and this is hooking arrangement. Two numbers of handles are provided on both the sides to lift the hammer up. By lifting the hammer, the cylindrical mold can be taken out for filling aggregates. After lifting the hammer to lock it in its position, a screw has been given. A hooking arrangement is provided over the hammer. This hook is opened by gentle pressing through a nut provided on the top. When we lift this hammer, the nut provides a pressure on the hook and the hook is opened, hammer is released, and then hammer comes down and gives an impact on the aggregate. With that, we need a cylindrical mold, IS sieve of size 12.5 mm and 10 mm and of 2.36 mm with a pan and lid, a steel rod, Bristol brush, a hand scoop, wing balance, a tray, and material required is aggregate. The test sample which was used in this experiment was oven dried at a temperature of 100 to 110 degrees Celsius for 4 hours and then it was cooled at room temperature. Now those aggregates are sieved through 12.5 mm and 10 mm IS sieve. The material passed through 12.5 mm sieve and retained on 10 mm sieve is our test sample. Then the empty cylindrical measure was weighed and found to be 701.5 gram. Then the cylindrical mold was filled with aggregate sample up to 1/3 height and then it was compacted using steel rod by giving 25 number of blows covering all the corners. In a similar manner, the other two layers of aggregate was filled into the cylindrical mold. Extra material was cut out and the upper surface was leveled. Then the weight of the cylindrical mold with sample was found to be 1043.5 gram. The cup was fixed under impact testing machine on both the sides by tightening the clamps provided. The aggregates filled in the cylindrical mold was transferred to the cup, and then it was stamped by giving 25 number of blows for proper compaction. By removing the lock, the hammer was raised and then it was released to give blows on the aggregate. In a similar fashion, the aggregate was given 15 numbers of blows. The interval between successive blows should not be less than 1 second. By raising the hammer and locking it in lifted position, the cup with crushed aggregate was taken out, and then it was removed from the cup and taken out for sieving. The crushed material was sieved through 2.36 mm sieve by keeping a pan at the bottom and a lid at the top. The material passed through 2.36 mm IS sieve was taken out for weighing. And it was found to be 47.5 gram. The material retained on the sieve was also weighed and found to be 294.5 gram. This is done only for a check. The aggregate impact value is calculated by the formula weight of fraction passing 2.36 mm IS sieve divided by weight of total material taken into 100. For accuracy purpose, two numbers of samples were taken and their average value was calculated. All the values are recorded in the observation table where the weight of dry sample was calculated by subtracting the weight of cylindrical mold from total weight. For sample 1, the aggregate impact value was found to be 13.88%, and in sample 2, the same was found to be 13.91%. So, their average 13.9% is the aggregate impact value for the aggregates taken for the test. Based on the impact values, the aggregates are classified as exceptionally strong, strong, satisfactory, and weak. As our aggregate has given an impact value of 13.9%, so it is strong.